AI in software development is powerful, but many people misunderstand how powerful it really is. AI does not replace knowledge. AI multiplies knowledge. What does that mean? If you are a beginner developer, AI can help you write code faster, explain errors, generate examples, and help you finish more tasks than before. That is a huge advantage. But AI will not magically turn a beginner into a senior engineer. Why? Because beginners often don't know what to ask. They may not know about design patterns, clean architecture, scalability, security risks, testing strategies, or edge cases. So they can get code, but not always the right code. Now look at experienced developers. A professional developer can use AI in a completely different way. They know how to give better instructions. They can ask for specific patterns. They can detect bad code. They can review answers critically. They can improve and refine results quickly. So AI helps them become even faster and more productive. This is the real truth. AI increases the productivity of what you already know. If you know little, it helps a little. If you know a lot, it helps a lot. And most importantly, AI is only useful when you can judge if the answer is correct or wrong. So instead of asking, will AI replace developers? Ask this: am I improving my skills enough to use AI properly? Because the future belongs to developers who can build and use AI wisely.